No need to say I have completed, I am not completed. Just write down these 3 points on the top of your book, in your book on the topmost page, okay? Here, just note down these 3 things.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
Okay, I am waiting. Fatia Sultana, mute yourself. Fatia.
Ma'am, I have not done.
Okay, now.
I have completed, ma'am.
Okay, now I am going to move. Now everybody take out your book at open at page number 130.
I have not completed.
Beta, complete. I am waiting. Complete this one first. 3 things are there and you are taking a long time.
Ma'am, I have completed. Farina.
Okay. Now the next one. Everybody open at page number 130. Now write the total weight of the following in the... Okay, now find the total weight of the following in the space provided. That means we will have to add this total weight and we have to write over there. Understood? This one, then we'll write over there. This one, write over there, okay? In this way. Understood? Okay, now I am zooming in. Just look at this. Acha, if it is hazy, then open your book. It will be better for you to look at the book. Look at this. This one 10 gram. This one 20 gram. 50 gram. So what will be the answer? 20 plus 10 plus 50. 10 plus 20, 30.
Ma'am, answer
Plus this 50. Say?
Ma'am, 80 gram.
80 gram, exactly.
Ma'am, 80 gram. 80 gram, ma'am.
80 gram, exactly. Okay. So write 80 gram. Right here.
Second is 500 gram. Second is 50 gram. Second is 5 gram.
500. Look, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100.
Ma'am, third is
300.
300 gram, ma'am. 300. 300 gram.
Yes, I can hear you better. Don't shout. Don't
Fourth
shout.
is 100.
Fourth is
100.
Achha, now fifth one is interesting. Look.
Fifth is 1000. Fifth one is 1 kg.
Exactly. Very good.
Ma'am,
That one
fifth one is 1 kg.
kilogram.
Fifth one is 1 kg.
Exactly. 1000 gram you will write. After that, you will write is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Complete this one. Now the next one, this one will be also done in book. Look at this. Tick the one which is heaviest. The heaviest thing we will have to tick. Okay, a bird is there, bus is there, and chair is there. So which one is the heaviest? This bus? Tick this one. Now a mug is there, gas oven is there, and a jug is there. Okay. Now look. Which one will be the heaviest? jar or this one? Yes. Let me take this one. Now mango, watermelon, tomato. Which one is the heaviest? This watermelon.
Watermelon, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, watermelon.
Okay, okay.
Watermelon.
Yes, watermelon. Now mute yourself, everybody. Okay, done this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I completed.
Now go to the next page. Add the following. First, I'll complete these two, okay? Add the following. Complete these two. This one will be gram as usual. 6 plus 1, this one will be 7. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 8, 87 gram. Do it yourself. Do this one yourself.
मैंने पहले ही कर लिया है.
Okay, if you have done before, then Rabiul, today in class you will have to do it in your copy. अगर पहले ही बुक में कर लिया ना तो अभी भी करना पड़ेगा. Rabiul, take out your copy and do it first. First, Fatia, mute yourself. अच्छा 8 plus 5, 13. 3,
Ma'am,
41.
Ma'am, 43 gram.
Yes, good. Okay, now look at the next one. This one, 157 kilogram, 249 kilogram and 110 kilogram. Okay, so definitely the answer will be in kilogram. Okay, now 7 and 9.
16. Ma'am, I found the 16 kg. Ma'am, I found the 16 kg.
Okay, good.
16 kg.
What will be the next one? Wait. Who? Ankush? Tell me the next one. Ankush?
I found the 61 kg.
Say 561. No. 900.
Ma'am, 951 kg.
Okay. Good. Okay, next 4. Now next 4. Okay, but Rahat beta, mute yourself, Rahat. और को प्रिया, Spondon, done तो? और
Yes,
Indon?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Complete. Mute yourself and do the next one. This one. Okay, now look at this. 500 gram, 27 gram, 200 gram. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is 727 gram. 727 gram. 727.
Exactly, 727 gram. Now I am giving you 1 minute. Okay, do this one and this one.
Ma'am, second one is 300.
What will be this one slowly? Huh?
Ma'am, the second one is 303 and the fourth one is 266. 200. Ma'am, fourth one is 207. Fourth one is 207 kg. Our teachers are also. Ma'am, 220 wrong.
Wait. Rahat, you told me so. Now Almasuddin Achav, Shamraj Vasim, what are you doing? Afroz Ali, say what will be the answer of the last one?
Ma'am, 266.
No.
266.
No.
But we
Diya?
wrong it.
Show.
267 kg. Ma'am, 267 kg. 267 kg. Ma'am, 267 kg. Ma'am,
No,
267 kg.
Okay, now do the next one. Now take out your copy. I'll give you some question. Take out your copy, everybody. Fatia, don't keep your camera off. Okay, Fatia, keep your camera on. Do not keep your camera off. Turn on your camera. Yes. Now I'm sharing the whiteboard. Okay, everybody. Look at the whiteboard. Okay. Amrido. Amrido. Okay. Acha, Jubair, write this one first. The next one, add the following. Atrey Gupta, where are you? What to do? The same thing. Zubair, what will you do? First, we will have to convert this kilogram into gram. Same unit. Yes, so. So, 6 kilogram is equal to, say, yes. Shake your head if yes. Okay, good. Next. 717 gram. This one is given. What will be the answer? Almashuddin, Ankush. Acha, 21 gram and 9 centigram. What will you do? What will we do? Jennifer, say first, what will we do?